Hi guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Lamp Boy. I'm just doing a quick video to show Richard Johnson Clapham Morris No.4 Miners lamp. These use quite a few colours around the UK. As I said in an earlier video, the RJCM lamp company, they got taken over or sold out to Protector in the 1950s. Richard Johnson, Clapham and Morris had been around, I believe, from about 1840. There were wire workers, I think there were foundry workers, and they made miners lamps as well. So I've got another lamp here, which I'll show you a little. It's very similar to this No.4 lamp, but this one I can show you some more clearer stuff on it. So I'll just take this apart first of all. Again, Haspen staple lock. It's got a sliding, or it did have a sliding bar for that hasp. I think this one's soldered up, but standard fuel cell. It's got a a wire wick adjuster, high voltage spark igniter. This cell's nice because I'll try and zoom in a bit on it. You can see it's got Richard Johnson, Clapham and Morris patenters, and it says tested by as well. Don't know who tested it, but that's a fuel cell. Burns paraffin or lamp oil. You can see on the bonnet here the No.4 denoting the model number. I believe it's on here as well. Yeah, that's a bit closer. So you got a number in between two half moons. So that's how they stamp their model numbers. So No.4. I'll just take this apart. You've got your glass ring. Don't think that's stamped or anything. Got a glass, and then this one has got two gauzes. I'll just zoom out a little. So you've got your outer gauze there, you've got your inner gauze. Yeah, there's no stamping on them gauzes. And again, you've got your bonnet is fixed to your middle section, but these are called a deflector lamp, and I'll show you what one of them is in a minute. You've got a lead rivet that the lamp man would remove, and then the outer bonnet would remove so you could see the inside. So I'll show you that on the other lamp in a moment, but we'll just put this back together and then we'll get this lamp lit. Quite a nice lamp to have in your collection. This one cost me, I think it was £60, and I've had it a few years now. Even taking it underground with me when I've been mine exploring. So that's screwed in there. So I'll just raise the wick on this a little bit. Probably wants a new wick putting in this. When you have a paraffin or an oil burning lamp and you don't use it for a while, the wick sometimes wax up. It makes it hard to slide it through the burner. But anyway, hopefully this one should be alright. That's just lit there, look. So just let that get going. That should be alright. So I'll just put the asp on there. So that is the number 4 model of Richard Johnson Clapham and Morris. So that's burning away nicely there with the flame. So I'll just bring this other lamp in. It's a slightly different model because it's got a shroud over the wick. But where I said on the bonnet before where the other one had the lead rivet through, this one hasn't got it, so we'll just take this off and I'll show you what's on the inside. So that just pulls off. So you've got your outer bonnet there, and this is what's called a deflector lamp, and I am told it's to stop the air going directly onto the gauze. On the lamps that had open gauzes, the gauzes would get blocked up with coal dust. The wind blowing, or the ventilation current blowing on the gauzes could cause issues. So this is, I don't even know how it works, to be honest, but the air comes in through there into the lamp, and it goes past this, what they call a deflector plate. Couldn't get my words out then. And then into the lamp for the flame to consume the air, and then the waste air will come up through the top and out the top of the lamp. The Richard Johnson Clapham and Morris lamps are really nice as well, because on the top of the bonnet they've got this plate. Let me zoom in a bit more for that. It's a really nice plate. So it's saying like Richard Johnson Clapham and Morris, paint and teas and makers, Manchester and Liverpool. And then on the other side, I don't know if you can quite see that, but it's saying again, but it's saying that the wire workers. So let's just turn it round. So you've got Richard Johnson Clapham, brass finishers, some wire and wire work, Manchester. So yeah, that's quite a nice finish on a lamp there. So I'll just put this back on. So anyway, I just thought I'd show you that lamp, and that just slides back into the bonnet there. So that would have a rivet through it. So anyway, so that is the Richard Johnson Clapham and Morris number 4 miners lamp. So thanks again for watching. Any comments, leave them in the comments box below, and I'll see if I can get in any questions. I'll get back to you. So anyway, thank you for watching again. See you again shortly. Bye for now.